All right. This is a review for the Scrub Daddy Color Sponge Scratch-Free Multi-Purpose Sponge Color Variety Pack. First of all, I think I can speak for everyone when I say those sponges start to smell disgusting way quicker than I want them to. Now I don't have to worry about that. These things are great. You can use them on non-stick pans, your utensils. They even have like the smiley faces for your like utensils, like forks, spoons. You can stick them in there and kind of clean them with it. The other cool thing is you can actually throw these in the dishwasher and clean them. So they're reusable a bunch. You can use them on pretty much all your dishes and they're not going to scratch anything up. And you're not going to have that disgusting, odory sponge smell that I've been used to in the past. These are my go-to. I think once you try these, you're not going to go back either.